สวัสดีครับ What's up guys? Welcome back to another action figure review. This one is the horse, white horse. I'm not sure if it's a third party product or not, but anyway, this is the top of the box and bottom. Let's go and crack this thing open. Will ya? Actually, it's kind of it came with the broken kind of box thing. I'm not really care. I don't care. I mean, yeah, I don't care. I'm not serious about it. It's just modified day piece. It's a prop. It's a prop for my figure. It's a foreground. It's a background. Yeah, we can use in variety of thing here. And here, I am seeing that we need some knife again to cut around the plastic tray and try not to cut my finger in front of the camera like this. So we're gonna be there real soon. Okay, plastic tray, I don't really care about it. I'm gonna throw it away soon. So here is the stand. It stands for the horse, or you can use it for any figure that you want. Can rotate all kind of good stuff that stand can do. And boom, we just take the horse from the plastic tray. Wow, it feels so good in person. It feels okay in hand. Look at his portrait. Too close. Yeah, cool. And we have a lot of accessory. I mean, we don't really have that much. Maybe we can remove the seat, and this one is actually kind of in the plastic Y. Okay, I'm gonna plug it back because we need it. All right, let's check out his articulation. So starting off with the head. The head can, wow, that's cool. He can look up, look down, a little gap, but you can manage. It's manageable. So and look up, look down, and he can turn around and tilt. Whoa, and tilt. Oh, all kinds of good stuff about the articulation. So I'm not really sure what's it called for the black one, black wire right here. Let's call it Y. That's upper neck and the lower neck, so we can rotate side to side, and we can move up and down a little bit. So maybe we can move this side to side. Yeah, I don't know what's in there. I'm not really sure. Maybe we just pop it up. It's not easy to pop up. I don't want to break my figure, so I'll just leave it there. Let's see, what is it? We have to rotate this one. Yeah, I will do it off the camera. So, and let's call him he, it's a white horse for the Valkyrie figure. I need to put some wings in here so Valkyrie can be riding on him. And here is the front legs, so can kick forward that much, kick back, and single joint knee. I think we have rotation on the knee also. Yeah, just a we need to heat it up and rotate so we can do that. We can do it. And here is an ankle, move up, move down, and ankle rotation for sure. Yeah, just like this one. Okay, and let's see the back. So here is a tail, so we can move up, we can move down, we can turn around, and the back legs, so can kick forward. Let's see this side, so he can kick forward that far and kick back really far. That's a big plastic, and it's cool to make him stable stand, and single joint at knee, but he can blend way more than single joint, way more than we expect from the single joint, and the ankle for the back. Jeez, gonna leave it there. Okay, ankle can move up and move down, and ankle rotation for sure. Yeah, we need to heat it up, but I see that it's a ball joint, so we have lower rotation and upper rotation for sure, right? You guys agree with me? So the back leg can do some like tilt, pivot, or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the ball joint. Yeah, to see the inside. Okay, it's the ball joint, so we can wiggle, we can rotate, we can turn around, swivel. Yeah, and I don't really like the leg here. I'm gonna rotate. Jeez, it's really stiff. Man, they assembled the wrong feet. This one particular foot, I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna do it off the camera, so let's see how he stand with his own two legs. Wanna see it? How can do the Ferrari logo pose, something like that. Maybe like this. Okay, how do we make him stand without? Yeah, so you're gonna do that. Maybe too far. Okay, the stand is not really tight, so we need to tighten it up. Yeah, at least you can see the picture here. So I'm gonna remove the accessory from the scene so we can see. Yeah, That's how the white horse can be. I mean, 360 rotation for you guys for this kind of Ferrari logo pose. It's not exactly Ferrari logo pose, but anyway, I'm trying my best to replicate that pose. So let's see if we can put some figure in here. And here we have a 1/6 scale Jean Grey and riding a horse, cow girl, forward cowgirl thing stuff. Yeah, riding a horse. For my control power person like her, she can riding a horse without a problem, I think, unless she cannot read the animal mind. Okay, gonna do this and put her in the position. Man, it's not easy to stand. Yeah, the joint is the jaw is not strong enough. Let's make her sitting like that. Yeah, we try our best to, you know, to make it ASAP, as soon as possible for the video, right? So we can do something like that, and for the other side, something like that. Riding a horse must be, you know, this kind of position, and here. So make her grab the rope. Yeah, now Jean Grey can riding a horse with a pretty cool pose. 360 rotation for you guys. Yeah, it's like the horse is sitting and she will be off the horse real soon. Let's see you guys on the next episode. Love, love.